So today we have a problem of integral of e to the power of 1 over x squared over x cubed dx. This is from Scomm's outline. Let's solve it. First thing we're gonna do here is we're gonna let u. The one we're gonna let u is the 1 over x squared. So u is equals to 1 over x squared. Our du is going to be negative 2 over x cubed dx, and the value of our dx is going to be x cubed du over negative 2. Let's rewrite the problem. Integral of e to the u over x cubed times x cubed du over negative 2. We can now cancel this x cubed, and we can bring this negative 2 as negative 1 half outside the integral. So it's going to be negative 1 half integral of e to the power of u du. We can now solve it. It's going to be 1 negative 1 half e to the power of u plus c, or 1 half e 1 over x squared plus c. That's the answer.